Let's look at a way of solving this simultaneous equation here. Okay, so this is quadratic simultaneous equation. Yeah, it involves use of what? Quadratic too. Okay, quadratic what? Simultaneous equation. So now, what you can do here is this. We can say divide equation 2 by equation 1. So we call this one what? Equation 1, then we call this one equation what? Equation 2. And you're going to have y squared minus x squared over what? Over y plus x equals to what? 5 over 3. Equation 2 divided by what? Equation 1. So, and then you're going to have y plus x, difference of 2 squared. Then y minus x over what? Y plus x equals to what? 5 over 3. So this cancels this. So we have y minus x equals to what? 5 over 3. Let's call this one equation what? Equation 3. Now, so what we're going to do next again is to what? We look at equation 1 and equation 3. Then we what? We subtract. We subtract. We can say equation what? Equation 3 minus equation what? Equation 1. And the best way to do it is this, like saying y minus x is equals to what? 5 over 3. And then y plus x equals to what? Equals to 3. So by subtraction, this cancels this. This is what? Minus 2x. So here we are going to have minus x. This is minus here. Minus x minus x. We are going to have minus what? Minus 2x equals to 5 over 3 minus what? Minus 3. That is this minus this. So we are going to have minus 2x equals to, if you find the LCM of this, and this is going to be what? 3 here. So 3 in 3 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. This is over 1 here. 1 in 3. So here we are going to have what? We are going to have 9. So if you consider, we are going to have minus 2x equals to what? 5 minus 9, that's minus 4. Minus 4 over what? Over 3. So here you can say minus cancel what? Minus cancel minus. And then 2 here 1, 2 here what? 2 here 2. So we have x is equal to what? 2 over what? 2 over 3. That's the value of our x. So the next thing we're going to do is to substitute into what? Into this value. We substitute. That is, if you have y plus x here equals to what? Equals to 3. And the value of x here is what? This. Anyway, we'll say this, we put this there. So I'm going to have y is equals to 3 minus x. This comes here. So I'm going to have y is equals to 3 minus what? Minus 2 over 3. So 3 minus 2 over 3, here we are going to have y is equals to, if you find the LCM, this is over 1. I have 3 here, we have what? 9. Minus 3 and 3 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. So we are going to have y equals to what? 7 over what? Over 3, which is equals to what? 2 over 1 over what? 1 over 33 is 7 is 2, remember 1 over what? Over 3. So therefore, our final answer is going to be x equals to what? Our final value is what? 2 over 3, and y equals to what? 2 over 1 over 3.